In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. If you work with spreadsheets that contain lots of rows and columns, filtering is one of the easiest ways to quickly focus on exactly the information you need. Instead of scrolling through everything manually, you can narrow the list down so Excel only shows the rows that match your chosen criteria. To get started, open the Excel file that contains the data you want to filter. Once the file is open, click any cell within your data range. You do not need to highlight the entire table manually. Excel is usually smart enough to detect the full range of related data as long as everything is organized properly. Before moving on, make sure your data includes column headers. These are the labels at the top of each column, such as department, name, date, or status. Headers are important because Excel uses them to create the filter controls, and they also make it much easier to understand what you are filtering. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of the Excel window. In that tab, click Filter. As soon as you do that, small drop-down arrows will appear beside each column heading. These arrows are what let you control which rows are shown and which are temporarily hidden. Now let's filter by a specific value. For this example, we only want to display employees in the IT department. Go to the department column and click the drop-down arrow next to that header. A menu will open showing the available values in that column. In the filter menu, first clear select all. This removes every option so you can choose only the one you want. Then check IT and click OK. Excel will instantly update the worksheet so that only the rows for the IT department remain visible. This is a simple but powerful feature, especially when you're reviewing large data sets and want to isolate one category at a time. If your data is clean and your headers are clear, filtering becomes very quick and intuitive. And that's it. You've successfully filtered data in Microsoft Excel. Once you get comfortable with this basic method, it becomes much easier to analyze information without changing or deleting any of your original data.